Hey everyone, in this video we're going to learn how to install VS Code on our Windows machine. So we can go to google.com of course, and type download VS Code. And here you have to select the link that says code.visualstudio.com. Of course, you just enter here, download Visual Studio Code. So when you come here, if you're using other operating system, you can pretty much select this. If you're using Mac, you can select this. If you're using Ubuntu or stuff like that, you can pretty much select from this list. So we are trying to download the Visual Studio for Windows. So we're gonna select Windows here. We're saying Windows. Just click here. Then you wait for it to start downloading. I'm gonna start downloading it here. So we just have to wait for some few seconds, I guess. Let's hope it's fast. Okay, it's kind of slow though. So you wait for the download to be done. Okay, so now download is done. You can just open it. Or you can just go to the folder where the download folder. Okay, in this case, just open, but you can still find the file in your downloads. Yeah, in your downloads. So I'm gonna accept the terms and conditions and next, just say next, next. If you want to create a desktop icon, you can just check here. I don't want to do that. But if you want to easily access VS Code using a shortcut on your desktop, you can just check here. I don't want to do that. So just leave everything the way they are. Just next, then install. So after that, you have to make sure that this thing is checked so that when you just click finish, VS Code will open. Okay, so we have to wait for it to open. So the reason why it's showing all this is because I already had VS Code installed on my machine, so it's just pretty much loaded the things that I opened in the previous session that I was recording. So that's the reason why it's like this. But you can ignore all this and head to this where it's saying extension. So this because this is a course, I would encourage you to install the DAT extension. So you have to just search here, just search for DAT. Then you select this one, the one that's showing that it's verified. I can say, yeah. So here, of course, here it's going to show you install, but it's already installed. The extension is already installed, so you can just click install. Then after that, everything is done. And I think this is pretty much it. So see you in the next video if there's another video actually. So bye.